Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today we have Kinder Beauty. Now, I don't know how much it costs. It'll be on the screen. This is either my last box or next month will be my last box. I did end up canceling this. I decided that I'm going to try really hard to stick to a new schedule of Monday, Wednesday, Fridays, and sometimes on Saturdays. I've been wanting to post it at the beginning of my videos for a little while now, but I'm still not sure that I can 100% stick to that sort of a schedule. So I want to give it a couple more weeks before I actually do it, but that's what I'm aiming for, is Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and then sometimes on Saturdays for uploads. So I did reduce some of my boxes, which is the point that I was trying to get to. Kinder Beauty is like an all vegan, all natural sort of a makeup skincare box. It's a good box. I am not canceling it for any other reason than just I need to wean down a couple of my boxes. I just get way too much stuff, and if I were growing a little faster, then I would be able to get rid of the stuff faster because of the giveaways, but you know, they're just kind of just sitting here. And I'm just collecting and collecting and collecting, and I'm trying to, I guess, cut down on my waste, I guess, if that's a good way to put it. Just because there are so many products just laying around that I'm not doing anything with. If I start picking back up, then maybe I'll pick up some more boxes again, just so I'm able to fill giveaway boxes. But other than that, wait, one more quick. So you can see I have prep hair, so pardon that. I just washed it for the first time in a week. So this video is actually going to go up on Monday, which will be the weekend, which will be the day after the weekend that we are doing this, but I'm just letting you guys know. So this coming weekend, which for you, it'll be in the past, we decided that we were going to do a road trip, a 2-day road trip around the state of Ohio, to look at haunted places, to check out some places that are reportedly haunted and you can hear dead people or whatever. Anyway, we thought that would be fun. We decided to do that. I mean, so it's basically just driving around just by ourselves, and a lot of abandoned places, stuff like that. Nothing that we actually have to physically like book a ticket for. So it's just stuff that we found on our own. They have stories that go with them. So I thought that would be cool. I will be vlogging that. And then next weekend, when we went out to Hocking Hills the other weekend, it was just 2 days. It wasn't enough for me, so we are going back out next weekend, which will be the upcoming weekend, since this is on Monday for you guys. The upcoming weekend, we're going back out to Hocking Hills, to the castle, but we are doing haunted places specifically located in the Hocking Hills area. So I thought that was super fun. I'll be vlogging that too. Originally, I wasn't going to vlog, and I don't know how much of the weekend I will vlog, but I will vlog. I mean, because originally I just wanted it to be completely electronic free. And then when we decided to do the haunted things, I thought, ooh, that's gonna be really cool to vlog. So that's kind of where I am. This weekend, full vlog. Next weekend, partial vlog. So there you go. Let's get into Kinder Beauty. And then I have an announcement after we get into this box. So I open it up and this is what I see. And you do get a pamphlet with the prices, so that's cool. Okay, so this is just a little card about it's about the highlighter that's in here. So there is that. Let me go ahead and pull that out first if I can find it. Oh, there it is. Okay, so this is a liquid highlighter, and it's Au Naturel highlighter, and the retail value is $32. It says it is a clean break from toxic makeup, finally full spectrum color play with all day color stay. Okay. Oh, no, it's not liquid. My bad. That is powder. Oh, okay. So it's powder. I'll keep it. I actually think that is a really pretty color. That's weird. I'm so confused. It looks like powder, but it has a, let's see. Okay, that was a bit much, and you can see it kind of got all over the place. Can you see the mess I've made? Wow, and that wasn't even a full pump. Holy cow, and it just kind of blew like all over me. Now I don't know what to do with myself. Give me a second. Okie dokie, and just a quick side note, these smell really good. I think I got these in Fruit for Thought. So, okay, so I will keep that, although it's super duper messy. What's next? The next thing, what is this? Switch to Pure, and it is a heart-shaped sponge. It's a cognac sponge, and it retails for $10. Okay, I will probably just pass that along. I'll toss it in a giveaway. I don't have a need for it. I just don't. The next thing I am pulling out is, it's a hand repair cream, totally keeping it. It retails for $8.65, and this is what the packaging looks like. And it says grapefruit turmeric. And those are some smells that I absolutely love, especially turmeric. I put turmeric in a lot of things. The next thing I am pulling out, is the Kind Poppy. The Kind Poppy Dreamsicle Sea Salt Bar Soap. And it retails for $8. It says Be Kind on the packaging. And it is a small bar of soap. If this small bar of soap retails for $8, then that is overpriced. One of my favorite things to do is to go to fairs or like festivals and buy handmade soap. And you can get them for like $5 a piece, and they're huge. They're like super thick, bigger. So if you picture like an ivory bar of soap, they're typically a little bit bigger than that, and they're more square. So, and that's for $5. So this tiny thing for $8, I wouldn't pay it. And then the last thing I am pulling out is by Gypsy Soul, and it is a face toner. Oh, but I will keep the soap because I love soap like that. But, oof, dropping things. Okay, so the last thing is this face toner, and it retails for $30. This retail, that's a bit much. That's super tiny. It's like not even the size of my hand. If I put that all the way down, it fits in the palm of my hand. I don't know, $30, I don't know. It doesn't say that this is a sample size, so I don't know. Anyway, not a bad box. I'm not mad at it. I actually like quite a few of the things that are in here. So just real quick, I have an announcement. I am going to toss a giveaway in here real quick. What you need to do for this giveaway is look around my studio here, and there are 3 major differences. If you can comment below what the 3 major differences in my surrounding area is, you will be entered into a mega loyal subscriber giveaway. So just a small box, but oh, and you only get one guess per person. Guess the 3 major things that are different in my room here, and it will, let's see, this is going up on Monday, so I will announce the winner like in 1 week, Monday. I can't talk. In 1 week from today, which is Monday when this is going up, I will announce the winner. It will just be pinned in a comment down below. So I hope that is, I hope you enjoyed being with me today. I hope it took you out of your space for a little bit. I am so tongue-tied. But I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.